Hey guys, my name is Christina. If you don't know me, I make videos about working online, traveling, and reaching your full potential. And today I'm going to explain the Smart Demo with VIP Kid. Okay, so once you fill out your basic info, I highly encourage you to choose the Smart Demo as your interview option. It's just the fastest and the easiest, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so first I'm going to give you a high-level overview of what to expect, and then we're going to do a deeper dive. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is that you're going to complete your Smart Demo on your cell phone. So you're going to download the VIP Kid application, and then you're going to record the Smart Demo. So the Smart Demo involves first a 5-question quiz. So they're gonna give you a 5-question quiz after you read some information that VIP Kid provides to you. The second part to the demo lesson is that you're going to record yourself on your phone teaching one slide, just one. Now, the maximum length of this video recording is going to be 2 minutes and 30 seconds because literally you're teaching one slide. And for all my people out there that feel like they're not that tech savvy, I want you to know that VIP Kid makes it very easy for you. You are recording yourself within the application. So you don't have to worry about recording a video and how to send it. You don't have to worry about formatting the video in any way, shape, or form. It's super, super easy. Okay, so before we do a deeper dive, I just wanted to explain to you guys the purpose of doing the Smart Demo. So the Smart Demo, for those of you who are concerned or nervous, is just a pre-screening. Okay, guys? They just want to make sure that you can speak English. They want to know, do you speak it well? Is it your native language? You know, what's your accent like? So if English is your native language, then you shouldn't have a problem with passing. So this is not something to put off. In fact, once you see this video, you should be prepared to take the Smart Demo. I definitely encourage you to do it. Okay, here's a deeper dive for the 5 questions. So the 5 questions cover the 5 aspects of being a VIP Kid teacher. As of now, that's what the quiz is about. So the 5 aspects are learning objectives, repetition, speaking speed and language, TPR, and modeling. Just know that they're gonna give you a paragraph to read or a video to watch, or an audio clip to listen to, and then they're gonna ask you questions based off of that. They basically just wanna make sure that you remember the 5 basic strategies that they taught you. So the quiz is directly on the information that they provide to you. They're gonna ask you just about what you learned. It's like reading comprehension. There are no surprises, and it's short paragraphs too. It's not, long passages. Okay, now let's do a deeper dive into part 2 of the Smart Demo, which really actually is question number 6. And it's the part where you're gonna be recording yourself teaching one slide. So once you get to that part, there's gonna be a very short video that you're gonna watch. VIP Kid provides it to you. And basically in that video, they're going to show you exactly how they want you to teach a slide. They model it for you. So they're showing you exactly what to expect. And then once they show you what they want you to model, they're going to give you a different slide. It may have a different word on it, and then you're going to teach that vocabulary word in the same exact way that you saw it being done. Okay, so really quick, just some things to keep in mind when you're recording the demo. So first of all, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have your phone set up in a way where it's stable. So if you have a tripod, that's great. If you don't have a tripod, just try to set up your phone so it's not shaking and you have the ability to use your hands in the video. So in the video, you will have to use TPR. So you may have a word like ball, and you're going to be expected to use total physical response. That's what it means. It's almost like a form of sign language. If you watch some of my other videos, I do talk a little bit more about TPR and basically what all of these different aspects are and what they mean if you just want more context. But you are gonna have to use your hands in the video. And again, don't worry, they're gonna tell you exactly what to do in the video, so you're not going to be lost. You're also gonna wanna be mindful of timing. So when you record the video, the longest the video will be is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And that's plenty of time to teach one slide. But just keep that in mind. So when you're actually teaching the slide, just make sure that you're not taking too long to teach it. That's all. And that's pretty much it. See, I told you there's no reason to put it off. I just wanted to say, before I let you guys go, that I highly recommend using a referring teacher. And the reason is that it's gonna make your life a lot easier. Referring teachers know what to expect, what the mentors are looking for, what it's like to teach ESL, and what it's like to teach ESL on this platform. If you don't have a referring teacher, I will leave my referral link in the description box. Please reach out to me. Let me know if you need my help and my support. I love working with new teachers and helping others. And if you already have a referring teacher, then I hope this video helped you out. Okay guys, I don't want to ramble on for too long. Good luck, and I'll see you guys later.